Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today online classes. So, last class we are discussing about the concept of understanding quadrilateral. It is a continuation of understanding quadrilateral. So, today content is exterior angle of a quadrilateral proof. Find the measure of each exterior angle by sides. Find the sides of regular polygon by exterior angle. These are the three topics we are going to discuss. What is exterior angle? So, do you have any idea? Okay, first we will check out exterior angle of a triangle. Let us take a triangle of ABC. So all the triangle are inside the part will be interior, outside part will be exterior. Let me extend BC to CD. So ACD is called as a exterior angle. So what about this A and B and C and the red mark of C? So A, B and C are called interior angle and ACD is called exterior angle. So the blue mark is mentioned over there as the interior adjacent of to the exterior. So this concept or comes under the linear pair. So in a straight line, two angles are coming. So this is come. So now A and B are called as interior opposite angles for ACD. And we know the properties very clearly. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So where is the exterior? ACD. The C is the exterior. So similarly, there is only one exterior angle will be there in a triangle? No, definitely not. It has many more exterior angle also. So in case, if you consider AB extended to BD. So now CBD is the exterior angle for the given triangle. Then what about the interior angles? Interior adjacent will be ABC. And A and C are the interior opposite angles. So exterior angle is nothing but a angle which is lies outside of the triangle, which respect to the sides. Now come for the polygon, another polygon. This polygon also having the triangle has three exterior. Now this triangle, this angles, if you extend the line, the angle will come outside of the figure. We used to call that as the exterior angle of the given figure. Now second exterior angle, that will be respect to the angle of interior. The one more, third one, and followed by fourth one, and followed by fifth one. So this figure is called a pentagon. So pentagon has 5 exterior angle. However, it has a 5 interior. Similarly, it has a 5 exterior angle. Okay. Then, what about the angle sum property of exterior angle? Do you have any idea about it? Yes. All exterior angle of a polygon added up to 360 degree. We know that exterior angle of any polygon, if you added mean, the resultant will come as a 360. In the session end, we are going to give an activity that will be clearly explain about the concepts. Now this line will be going over, so extending. So 1 2 3 4 5 exterior angles will be represented over in the regular pentagon. So when you think about the exterior, so please make sure about interior. What is the sum of the interior angle? Interior angle of all the polygon is not same, but interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360. And come to the pentagon, it will be go over the next one. Now this exterior and interior angle divided by a single line, that's what with the previous few minutes before we discussed about the linear pair. So interior, the exterior of the given part of the question. Similarly, each and every figure, the second one also, it have the extended line, so it has the exterior angle. Similarly, it has the part of interior angle. So please students, just make sure about the exterior angle, because exterior angle of a polygon, when you are quoting over the, so each and every figure, for example 3-sided mean 3 interior angle, 3 exterior angle. 4-sided mean 4 interior angle, 4 exterior angle. 5-sided mean 5 interior angle, 5 exterior angle. So according to the number of sides, the interior and the exterior angle will be the same. So here also that will be representing the whole turn. If you consider first, second, third, fourth and fifth, If you consider the whole turn of this given questions, the resultant will come as a 360 degree. That's what we are representing over exterior angle of the any polygon. You will get the sum will be 360 degree. Okay, then let me take an example how to get the solutions. So here 6 figures is the 6-sided figure like as a hexagon. It have all the 6 exterior angle also mentions over here in the blue color line, which is given as the exterior angle of each sides. This figure called 1 2 3 4 5 6, a regular hexagon, I think so, because all the sides are equal in measures by seeing itself. I am representing that as a A. So A, all the same representing as a because regular hexagon, all the interior angle is also equal. Meanwhile, the exterior angle also will be equal. When you get the sum, we know that as a 360 degree. The each measure how to find out mean 360 divided by 6, because the sides will be 6. That's why we are dividing 360. The sum of the all exterior angle will be 360. If you divide by the 6, you will get the each exterior angle. It is a very simple concept to deliver the resultant of the exterior angle by the given sides. So students, just make sure about it. Now the 360 divided by 6 will be 60 degree. So what is exterior angle? Just recall once. You got an idea about it? Good. Now we can come for the solutions. We are going to apply the exterior angle concepts to get the solution of the given problem. Find x in the following figure. The figure is given, it is a triangle, only exterior angle is given. So we know the sum of all the exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree. So 125 plus 125 plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. 125 is plus 125 is nothing but the result of 250 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. 250 plus x in addition, so when you transpose 250 over that side, it will become as a subtraction. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 250. The subtraction of the given solution is 110 degree. The value of x is equal to 110 degree. Similarly, you can apply the concept of linear pair and get the solutions also. So that also another way of finding the solutions. Find x in the following figure. Now the second figure, now the name of the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides will be given. 70 degree x degree. The third side will be 90 degree. Interior angle will be given. You can use a linear pair, find the exterior, and so on. We know that the sum of the exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree. So 70 plus x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 already given exterior is equal to 360 degree. The sum of 70, 90, 60 and 90 is nothing but 310 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Transpose 310 over the next side after equal. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 310. The resultant will come as 50 degree. The value of x is equal to 50 degree. This is the way how to find out the value of exterior angle of any figure, any polygon. Now come to the question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. 9 side, 15 side. So when the sides are given, how to find out the exterior angle? Previously the angles are given, we are assuming adding up, but here since the 9-sided of the polygon has 9 angle, as we discussed, 3-sided mean 3 angle. So 9-sided mean 9 angles, and we know that the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. So already we have the solution how to find out. One example we given discuss. So 9 exterior angle will be 360 degree. So what about one exterior angle, which is nothing but 360 divided by 9. If you divide the answers, you will get the solution is nothing but 40 degree. You will get the solution as 40 degree. So each angle will be called as 40 degree. Then come to the next question, 15 sides. How to find out? Have the 15 sides. So answer, since 15 sides of a polygon has 15 angle, so we need to find out the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. When it has a 15 sides, So we should be very careful about it. 15 exterior angle will be 360 degree. Then what about one exterior angle? 360 divided by 15, which is nothing but 24 degree. Please make sure about it. This angle of exterior angle will come as a whole number. If it is not come as a whole number, then the resultant will be wrong. Suppose sometime the answer will come as a decimal. So if decimal is coming, mean we are not supposed to find out the proper angle in the part. So that's not right one. So now how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? Okay, now we know the number of angle of polygon is equal to number of side, because regular polygon mean the angles and sides should be equal in numbers. That's what they are representing. A regular polygon mean a polygon which have all the angles and sides are equal in measures. So we know the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So measure of each angle they given 24 degree. So each angle is given, and what about the size? 360 divided by 24 is nothing but 15 degree. The formula is 360 by exterior angle. You have to find out 360 by exterior angle, which gives the answer as 15. So the name of the figure, the sides of the figure will be 15. So now come for the next question. How many sides does the regular polygon have if each of its interior angle will be 165? The previous one exterior is given, now they are given interior angle. The interior angle means how to find out exterior. Very simple, apply the linear pair. So each exterior will be 180 degree minus 165, which is nothing but 15 degree. We are getting the 15 degree by applying the linear pair concept. Please work out over there. And now since measure of each angle is equal to 15 degree, it's a very simple solution how to find out the sides. So 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So number of exterior angle will be 360 divided by 15, which gives the solution as 24 numbers. 24 in numbers. Okay, this is the way you have to work out the problem. Now come for the question number 5. It is possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. So we have to mention each exterior angle should come as a 22 degree. So now take an example. Number of sides of a polygon. What is the number of sides of the polygon? How to find out? The formula we know that 360 divided by each exterior angle. So that's what, by using this formula only we solved the previous problem. So now what's the each exterior angle is given? 22 degree. So 22 degree mean the number should come as a whole number. So we should be very careful. So number of sides are given polygon is equal to 360 divided by 22 is the resultant is come as 16.36. Since the answer is not a whole number, thus a regular polygon have with the measure is each exterior angle as 22 is not possible. So the answer is no. We are not supposed to have the figure of having exterior angle of 22 degree. Now come to the question number B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? If exterior angle 22 is not possible, so it is possible for interior. That we check out over there. So each interior angle will be 22 degree. So interior angle 22 mean how to find out the exterior? We know very clearly about it by using the concept of linear pair. If you apply the linear pair, each exterior angle will be 180 minus 22 is equal to 158. So we apply the same formula which we know that. Now since measure of each angle is equal to 158, so we have to get the solutions. 360 divided by 158, it gives the answer as 2.27, which is not a whole number too. So if it is not a whole number, the 22 degree will not be a interior angle also. So a regular polygon with the measure of each interior angle as 22 is not possible. So the measure of each 22 degree is not an interior angle. Similarly, it is not an exterior. Come for the next question, the final question. What is the maximum interior possible of regular polygon and exterior angle of the regular polygon? So regular polygon, what is the interior and exterior angle the maximum? If you consider in this case, I would say that triangle, the interior angle also will be a 60 degree. That is the maximum, because when the figure is number of sides are increasing, the degree of interior angle will be decreased. When you come for the exterior angle, the maximum will be 120. If you sides are increasing, the angles also will be decrease. So interior angle, the minimum interior angle for regular polygon is 60 degree. The maximum exterior angle for the regular polygon also 120 degree. The both numbers will be satisfied only for equilateral triangle. So please, if you have a doubt over this kind of questions will be asked in examinations, please draw such kind of figures. You draw by yourself and get the solutions. Now come for the activity. To verify the experimental that the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, this is the objective of the question activity. So the material required for this activity is cardboard, thick papers, white papers or A4 sheet, cutter, scissor, sketch pens and tracing paper. So please, I'm telling you that this is not only the required material. You can use the available material, whatever the available material in your home, you just try to use it over. No need to go anywhere to purchase those things. So whatever available material in your home is available, you just take and use that. So how to proceed the activity? So this is the activity you have to complete and you have to submit to me. The first step, take a rectangular cardboard or thick paper, place a convenient size and paste it on a white paper on it. Then second step, cut a quadrilateral of ABCD from drawing sheet and paste it on the cardboard. So you can draw any quadrilateral, any shape of quadrilateral. You know about what is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is nothing but a figure with 4 sides, a line segment made with 4 sides. So please make sure you can draw any figure. Please don't use the regular rectangle of square to get the solutions. Now step 3, make cutout of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral with the help of tracing paper. If you don't have the tracing paper, you just use the lines of pencils and just cut it over. It's not a big deal. So please, I repeat again, don't use square and rectangular shapes. It make you confused. Please draw a quadrilateral. That's it. Simple quadrilateral, you can draw it. The step 4 is arrange all the 4 cut angles at the point of O. So first draw a quadrilateral, name it as angle ABCD and just cut it and just paste it. The example of diagram is given here. The first picture is showing that how you have to draw a quadrilateral and you have to color the angles and you have to cut by the scissors. The second figure is showing that how you want to arrange all the corner vertices of the angles at a point of O. So this is the activity you are going to work out and you are going to submit to me. Please make sure about it. So the demonstration of this activity is a vertex of each cut angle coincide at the point of O. The point of O is coincided over there. Such arrangements of cutout shows that the sum of the angles of the quadrilateral form a complete angle of a 360 degree. I hope you understood that. Please work out the activity and we'll see you in the next classes. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.